Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel, and in this video I will be showing you how to fully download and install the Bear Player application to your Android TV, Google TV or Android TV box. This is going to be a wonderful video because if you have any of these TV devices and you're looking to install the Bear Player, a working Bear Player application, then this is a video for you, and I'll highly recommend you watch right up to the end, as I'll be showing you every single step you need to follow on your device. And also, if you find it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. That's it, let's kick off.
Before we continue, here is a quick reminder. If you are browsing on Smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I would highly recommend using a VPN. This is because a VPN helps protect your privacy, it secures your connection and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN because it is fast, reliable and works smoothly on TV devices. In the description of this video, I've added a special link that you should check it out and create an account. That's it, let's continue.
So here's my Android TV box I'm using. If you need an Android TV that you want a new one or to upgrade your TV setup, in the description of this video I've added a couple of Android TV boxes that you could check out. So I'm using my Android TV box with a USB mouse or a Bluetooth mouse. That's why it makes it easier for me to navigate. So if you have an Android TV and you want to install the Bear Player application, the very first thing you need to do on your Android TV or Google TV or Android TV box is to make sure that it allows you to install applications from unknown sources. Now the steps to turn that on differs on the device that you're using. So for instance, if you're using an Android TV or Android TV box, the way you make sure that you are able to install applications from unknown sources is quite different. So what you need to do is to go over to your settings, search for security and restriction, or for apps or unknown sources, or just learn how to make sure to allow your device to install applications from unknown sources. Mine is already turned on. As I said, this particular step is not the same on different devices. If you have Google TV, you have to go and turn on developer option. If you have an Android TV, you have to go back to your settings and find apps from unknown sources and turn that on. So once you install that, then the very first thing you need to do, go over to your browser, any browser. Now before I head over to my preferred method to install this application, I just want to show you this other method. So if you go over to your browser and you search Bear Player, for instance, let's just search Bear Player. If you search Bear Player, you are going to get a version from the Google Play Store. Here's it over here. And of course, you can install this version to your Google Play Store and it's going to work perfectly. The only thing is that this version is going to have a lot of ads. You are going to get a lot of ads. That's what you see, contains ads. So it's going to have a lot of ads on your Android TV or Android phone or Android TV box or Google TV. So I won't recommend that method. So what you actually do here, just go over here and search for downloader. Search for downloader app. Sorry, I'm typing slower. So if you search downloader, here's what I'm looking for. Click on this and make sure you install this application to your Android TV, Google TV or Android TV box. Once it's done installing, go ahead and open it. So here's it. The reason we need downloader is because I want us to install the Unlinked app, because that's what we are going to use to install the Bear Player or the working Bear Player to our Android TV, Google TV or TV box. So the code is 10381. Just type it and launch it, and then the code is going to load and download the application. So just give a couple of seconds and then wait. Just wait for it to start downloading right now. Once it's done downloading, just click on install. The application is going to be installed to your Android TV, Google TV or Android TV box. Just give a couple of seconds. Once it's done installing, we'll show you what to do next. So Unlinked is a library, it's an app where you can get applications. Please don't open it straight away. Click done and also click delete. Once that is done, then you can return home and use the Unlinked application. So if I return home and like over here, here's Unlinked, So what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and launch the Unlinked app. So I'll launch it, I'll type in this code because we need a library to get that application. So the library is just typing everything over here. This it should be one word, no spacing at the end. Once you type in that, just go ahead and launch, and it's going to bring you to this library of applications on your Android TV. So just click enter. Sorry, I'm blurring this part. It's not really necessary, and for you to policy, I cannot show some apps over here. So as you come over to the library, what you're going to do is go over to the category that says media player. So here's it over here. So what we're interested in is the bear player. So here's what we're interested in. These are other players that you can also install if you want. But for this video, we're interested in the bear player. So we need the latest version, and this is the latest version of the application. As you can see, it was lastly updated in February 2026. So if there's a new version in the future, it's going to be updated here. And all you need to do is just follow the same method and install it. So before you install the Bear Player application, please, very important, before you install this option, make sure that any old version of the Bear Player that you have on your Android TV, TV Box, or Google TV, uninstall that version before you install this one. Because if you don't uninstall that old version, installing this one on the old version is not going to work. So please delete and uninstall all old versions of Bear Player before you go ahead and download and install this one. This is very important because I keep getting messages from people telling me that the application is not downloading or is not installing on their Android TV, TV Box, or Google TV. And the reason for that is that they are trying to update the new version on the old version. Please do not update. Delete the old version completely before installing the new one. So once the application is downloaded, just click on install over here and click install. And the application, if you've deleted the old version, the application is going to install. Now it's installed already. What you have to do from here is just to return home. And you return home and go over to your apps. You're going to find Bear Player over here. So here's what we've downloaded and installed in this video. Now just go ahead and launch it and see for yourself if it's what they want. So here's Bear Player. Bear Player is a player that allows you to play both local content on your device or online content. So you choose whatever content you want to play or whatever you want. So it does not own content. Bear Player is just a player and they do not provide content. You have to have your source for content before you can use the application. So if you want to stream, just go over to network, put the link here, and you're good to go. If you want to play local content, as you can see on my screen, here's some local content on my Android TV box that I can go ahead and play or watch. So that's it about the video. If you find it helpful, please let me know in the comment section, and if you have a worry, let me also know in the comment section. See ya. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.